Hey again, and welcome to another Clockify tutorial. My name is Julian Griffin, and in this video, we're gonna go over how to manage approval in Clockify for submitted time, expenses. So let's go ahead and jump right in. First, let's enable the approval settings located in your workspace settings and switch it on to activate it. Once activated, you'll have the option to customize the approval period to be weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. To approve timesheets and expenses, go to the Approvals tab in the sidebar and you'll see the Pending, Unsubmitted, and Archive tabs. In the Pending tab are the timesheets that will need to be reviewed and then approved or rejected. For approval, you have a couple of different options. First, you can approve all submitted timesheets by selecting Approve All in the top right corner. You can also send a reminder for all admins to approve submitted timesheets where they will receive an email to approve them. Or you can review the timesheets one by one by clicking on the pending timesheet. When you open it, you'll see a visual breakdown of total logged time, breaks, billable hours, any approved time off that has been a part of this timesheet, as well as total granted amount, costs, and expenses. This overview makes it easy to glance over pending timesheets to spot any misbalances right away. The individual time entries and expenses are listed below, so you can check them in detail. If you spot a mistake, you can correct it by clicking on the pen icon, editing details, and clicking Save. Or you can reject the submitted timesheet with a note to a team member about what needs to be corrected and confirm the rejection. Once the decision is made, the user will be notified via email. In the Unsubmitted tab are the timesheets that have yet to be completed and submitted. In the Archive tab, you can see all approved timesheets, which you can sort by date or user, filter by team or select specific people, or filter by status to show all, only approved, or only withdrawn. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you want to see more, you can always visit our website or check us out on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.